here where there's no lines down the middle and people just drive down the middle like there's a one-way freaking road.
Guy's on the phone or something. Since he's wondering. What the fuck though?
Yeah, but even while if you're on the phone, you know, that's...
You're gonna just keep heading towards people who are driving up the other way. I would fucking laugh if you hit this island here. Who's done it? Oh, that was close.
Apparently the lines don't help. The lines that are the problem here, dear.
You know? Oh, a nice maneuver, mate.
What the? Did he just do what I think? I looked away for a freaking second. Different stuff. And plenty to do tomorrow night.
Check this truck
too.
going through in a red light.
Nutty.
What a dick. We're only supposed to use it in, private ground, you know. Tailgating the learner driver is not going to help, is it?
Yeah. Plus it's probably going to freak him right out. Undertaking him. Is that the instructor giving him a
legal thing? Nice.
You got a teeny tiny little car. How can you not make that corner?
Probably take about a week. Isn't it? Totally illegal, missus.
Did she just...
Yeah, she did. Check his dick. What a fucking
Holy
wank.
crap.
What a fucking idiot. You realise that's super fucking dangerous, right?
Thank you. Cheer.